In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out and unlink OneDrive in Windows 10. Whether you're looking to switch accounts, troubleshoot syncing issues, or simply remove OneDrive from your system, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps with ease. It's a relatively straightforward process, but it's important to understand each stage clearly to ensure you perform it correctly. First, you need to ensure that OneDrive is currently running on your computer. If you see the OneDrive icon in your taskbar, you're ready to go. In case you don't see it, try clicking on the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once visible, right-click on the OneDrive icon. This will bring up a menu with several options. From these options, click on Settings. This action will open the Microsoft OneDrive menu, where you'll find several tabs for different settings adjustments. What you want to do next is navigate to the Account tab. This is your destination for managing the accounts linked with OneDrive. In the Account tab, you'll see a button to unlink this PC. Clicking this button prompts a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to unlink your PC from OneDrive. Don't worry, unlinking the PC won't delete any of your files. The files that are on your PC won't be removed, and files will just stop syncing to the cloud. Once you're certain about unlinking, go ahead and confirm your choice. After you've done this, OneDrive will be unlinked from your PC. It's important to realize that OneDrive is only disconnected, your files remain where they are. For those who are seeking to remove OneDrive completely, be aware that unlinking doesn't uninstall it, it simply stops the sync process. If you're considering relinking your account or a different account in the future, it's just as simple. Launching OneDrive again and signing in with your preferred Microsoft account resumes the sync process. This functionality allows you flexibility, so don't hesitate to unlink if you need to troubleshoot or make adjustments. For those of you who want to ensure your privacy or are looking at decluttering your desktop, closing OneDrive from the system tray by right-clicking and choosing Close OneDrive will do the trick, too. Following these steps helps in managing OneDrive on your Windows 10 machine more effectively, giving you control over what syncs and what doesn't, while complementing your PC's performance and storage use more efficiently. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Tune in for more educational insights, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for all things tech tips and tricks.